A solid cone is cut into two parts at the middle of its height by plane parallel to its base. Find the ratio of volume of smaller cone to the whole cone. So listen student, this is a plane parallel to its base. Cut the solid cone into two parts. Now let us join this center to vertex. Since this solid cone cut at the middle part, so the height of smaller cone is h by 2. Proportionally, radius of smaller cone will also r by 2, but let us justify here. Consider a triangle ABC and ADE. These two triangles, this upper and this whole triangle, are similar because this is 90 degree and these are corresponding angles. So by AA. By AA similarity criterion, these are similar. So sides will be proportional. AB upon AD. AB height of smaller, AD height of bigger, is equal to this BC upon DE, and DE is radius R. AB h upon 2, the height of smaller cone, upon AD is the total height. HH cancel, so BC is equal to R upon 2. So BC radius of smaller cone is R by 2. Now let us find out the ratio. Consider the volume of smaller cone is V1 and bigger cone is V2. Smaller cone 1 upon 3 pi r square h means we have to take the radius R by 2. Height h by 2, and the bigger cone 1 upon 3 pi r square and height is h. 1 upon 3 pi cancel. This is the numerator, and in the denominator r square h. R square h upon 8, and this will come in the denominator, so r square h will be cancelled. So the required ratio is 1 upon 8. So my dear student, required volume of smaller cone to the whole cone is 1 upon 8. This is the answer.